Our throat chakra is our energy center for speaking our truth, self-expression. It empowers us to be our true self, being motivated by constantly seeking truth, personal integrity, honesty, authenticity, communicating our ideas and thoughts, but also actively listening to others. When blocked, we push down things we wish we would say. The worst, we don't speak our truth to our own self, leading to negative self-talk and depression. We tend to be introverted, insecure. We have fears of speaking up. We are timid and shy. Most of us keep things inside, avoiding arguments, fierce conversation, or simply fearing being judged. We contract. We close. We create a wall. We avoid these harsh truths with ourselves like, I don't feel connected anymore with my romantic relationship, friend, work. What if I end up all alone after speaking my deepest truth? We slowly build the habit of not living out of integrity with ourselves. We bury our light. We live in our head because we can't genuinely interact with people. When that energy center is hyperactive, we talk and talk because we feel small inside because we trapped the emotion of pride. We become the worst listener, always stuck in our egoist thoughts. It is also linked to gossiping, overly critical, arrogant, condescending, rude. When underactive, it is because of trapped emotions of humiliation, blaming, overwhelm, pride, lost, lack of control or conflict, and combined with a heart chakra. Emotion like betrayal, despair, love, unreceived, or heartache. To balance it, you need to transmute these trapped emotions and only after bring your attention to that center for 10 to 21 days while creating fractals of coherence. Do throat yoga poses, meditation, listen to binaural beats, sing the mantra, ham. Speak your truth, journal your feelings, write letters, film yourself talking, learn public speaking, wear blue, carry a lapis lazuli stone. Write affirmation on your bathroom mirror. I am speaking my truth. I am an active listener. I am a messenger of love, joy, and truth. Comment below your spiritual journey questions.